Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a self-care day. I gotta first of all clean all this back. This is the back of my room. It's gotten crazy in terms of the mess, so I need to clean it like ASAP Rocky. By the way, I'm wearing my set today, so if you saw my Marshalls haul, that should have been up. It went up on Tuesday. Then you know where I got this from. I'm actually happy that I actually perfectly fit, because I was kind of scared that the top or stuff would not fit. But yeah, so this is the Marshall set that I got, and I was like, I guess I'll just wear it in the house. Today's a cold day, although I think I'm about to get hot after cleaning this room. So yeah, I'm gonna clean the room. Then after, I'm gonna actually do my nails again, because I had taken off the color that I had, the gel color that I had before, because it was starting to chip off. So I'm gonna do that. But before I get started, before the day continues, I have some pimples. I don't know if you guys can see that, like here and stuff. So I want to try this pimple patch, but it's upstairs, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that, and then I'm gonna start to clean up this room. I'm not even gonna bother showing you guys. Like, you probably can see my desk, and my desk is just crazy. My desk itself is crazy. I'm not gonna even show you guys over there. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll probably maybe do a quick speed clean. I don't know yet, and then go ahead and do the next thing I'm gonna do for the day. So yeah, it's a hydrocolloid patch, prevents skin irritation. It says stronger adhesion. Now, I've only tried pimple patches maybe once or twice, so but then again, the last time I tried it, it wasn't even a long time, so I think this would be better to have a long period of time during the day till nighttime when I take a shower at night. So this is what it looks like. I have to say that I like on the bottom it actually has English-based directions, because sometimes these products don't. It says, after cleansing dry affected area, remove the protective film and apply the patch over blemish. Allow it to remain in place. When the patch is swollen, the color changes to white. Replace the patch. It says, do not replace the patch too frequently to protect the affected area. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And there's actually 60 patches in here, so that's not bad for the $5, I think. Because last time I bought a patch, I think for $2, and it was only like maybe 10. So 60. So they all come like this. And if I'm not mistaken, there's two different sizes. Yeah, as you guys can see, like this side has like a smaller size, and then this side has a bigger size. So overall, I feel like my skin has been breaking out a lot lately. But yeah. So I only put 2 of them on. I was really focusing on the really big ones, and this one especially is like huge. So yeah. So that's that. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean the room now. Probably do a speed up, or what do you call it? Time lapse. And yeah.
Raindrops on the window, I'm dreaming, but it doesn't make sense at all. And the microphone on the wall, I'm upside down singing down the hall. Slow down, raindrops on the window, I'm dreaming, but it doesn't make sense at all. And the microphone on the wall, I'm upside down singing down the hall. Slow down, I'm dreaming, I'm dreaming. Slow down, slow down. Slow down, raindrops on the window, I'm dreaming, but it doesn't make sense at all. And the microphone on the wall, I'm upside down singing down the hall. Slow down, raindrops on the window, I'm dreaming, but it doesn't make sense at all. And the microphone on the wall, I'm upside down singing down the hall.
Okay, you guys, so I finished my nails. This nail's annoying me for some reason. I don't know why, but I always sometimes have, you know, like around the edges where you have like leftover, but I normally wait till like it's fully dry and then I go ahead and like clean around the crevices. Sometimes I do it perfectly and sometimes I don't. But yeah, the color I did was pretty much like, is a name on here? I don't think any of the names of the colors are on here. And I may have thrown away the, what do you call it, the packaging. So, yeah, I don't remember the color. I'll leave it down below. While I'm also sitting here. Oh, sorry, I got an email. While I'm also sitting here really quickly. I was going to do a whole different video because I don't feel like I don't have a lot of items. I'm going to show you guys what I got from Old Navy. So they did send me my package. I had it shipped somewhere else, but I haven't opened it. And being that I don't want to keep more stuff up in this room after I just cleaned it, I was like, I might as well open it. So I got 2 of them. Okay, so I got this sweater. And it's pretty like much a sweater t-shirt, if that makes sense. The quality is like a t-shirt. It says sunshine soul on it. I thought it was cute. I honestly don't remember the prices. Actually, I'll probably be able to tell you. Hold on, let me go on my email real quick and see if I can get the prices for what I bought, because I honestly don't remember. So yeah, this top was actually $9.97 for this, so that's not bad. A little under $10. So yeah, this is a nice shirt. Definitely if you want to wear this now too. I'm probably going to wear this now. Just because it has thicker material, so it'll still keep you warm even though it's short sleeve. So yeah, that's the first thing. Now for the other package. So I got this pajama set, which I'm saving for my trip because I will be going around Christmas time, and I don't know, I've been in that era and point like of trying to take more photos, especially for Instagram and stuff, just to continue like posting on my Instagram and keeping it consistent when I'm not doing like a hair video or whatever. So I got this top and bottom set because I actually don't have like festive pajamas. I have one, but it's more like a dress. It's not top and bottom. So I got this. The pants were, let's see, the pants were $9.99 and it was on sale too. I don't remember what the original price was. I think it was $16 or something like that. But yeah, so this is the bottoms, and then I have the matching top, and the top was $8.49, so that was actually also on sale. So I originally was gonna buy it from, I don't know, I think Romwe or another store, and then I saw that this was definitely cheaper to buy it then. So as you guys can see, matching top and bottom. Fine, but I did get the bottoms in an extra large. Okay, the next thing I got, I think this is biker shorts. By now, if you know, I'm always buying some biker shorts. The biker shorts were, let's see here. Biker shorts. They were actually $12, so they weren't as cheap, but I think this is probably one of those things I decided to just purchase because I needed extra. I got these in the size extra large, and yeah, I like that they're granite kind of thing. So I have a few of these biker shorts. I like them. So, but I like the pattern because normally a lot of the biker shorts that I have is just regular black ones. I do have, I think, a green colored one, but not really. So I like that this is like, you know, has a nice purplish blackish color. And lastly, I got a new robe. I currently have one robe, but I wear it like not all the time because when it's really heavy, I feel like it's for like when it's really cold, like winter cold, and sometimes I may not want to wear that one. So I got a black one. This robe was, let's see here, the robe was $17.49, so that was the most expensive out of this whole thing purchase. But I got my robe in a large, and yeah, it's just a regular black one. What I like about this one, it wraps around quickly, and the belt is not like my other one. Has a belt as well, but it's always falling off and stuff, and I don't wear it. Like, it's really heavy too, so that's why I said it's more so for like when it's really winter, because it's like kind of like this. The thing is very heavy. The material. This one is, I don't know how to explain it. It feels like a sweater material. It's not too thick, but as you guys can see, it's black. Just a regular black, and then it does have the thing to wrap around. What I do also like, I think my other one has pockets too, but this one has pockets as well. So the camera died, so I had to change it. That's how you know I know when I'm filming very long videos. I'm not gonna be surprised if I put this in my laptop and it's a 40-minute, 50-minute video. I will not be surprised. I'm gonna chop a lot of this, and that's another thing. I want to edit this so that hopefully I can get most of it edited. So tomorrow I'll just do the last minute editing so that it can be up. So it can be up by Thursday. Because it's team too much. And here, I don't know if I'm gonna come back, so just in case I don't come back, make sure you like, you comment, subscribe, you hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so that you're notified every time I post a new video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.